Hello, this is Christian Fint for ABP Tech Canada and ABP Tech International. Today I would like to show you how to program a user and add an RFID tag with the Kentix SmartXcan. We're also quickly looking at what you have to do to get the notifications for high temperature readings. So the first thing is you log yourself into the Kentix SmartXcan. On the left hand side you see the user tab. You click on users. And then you basically click on the new user tab, add new user. We switch the count to active, enter the username, in this case Mr. John Doe, and then we enter a password, and we repeat the password. And then we do need an email address, so let's call it christian@abptech.ca. And now we come to the RFID tag. So I have the tag here. I basically click on the little plus sign, and it's basically waiting for booking on the screen. I'll connect it, and the token has been accepted. I can't add a description down here. I have to basically give the user level. I'll leave that in viewing only. Do I want to receive, or does this user want to receive notifications? I click select on, and then I basically select the raised body temperature only, because that's mostly what you need. I save it, and now I have assigned the RFID tag to the user. Now, in order to receive emails, we have to configure the SmartXcan with an SMTP server. So I click on left side configuration, and then clicking on email. I'll basically enter whatever I need to enter to connect it with the SMTP server. So you start with the sending email address. So let's say Kentix abp@abptech.ca. I enter the email server. In this case, I'll use my local one here, which is set up for demo purposes, or test purposes. Username SMTP. Okay. And then I save it. I'll test the connection. So test email has been sent. While we're waiting for that, we can also do a first, okay, so for test purposes, I go back to users, and I go back to my test user, and I switch it to all notifications, simply because I don't have fever. So just so you see that it works, I'm now scanning my badge. I'll do my reading. All is good. And now we're just waiting for the email to arrive. So as you can see, we have both emails, the test email and the email for the body temperature scan. That's how easy it is for setting up a user with RFID tag identification, as well as getting notifications for scans or only raised body temperature scans. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day.